FHA Loan Limits for 2023. Complete list of new FHA limits. Maximum FHA loan amount. FHA loan limits rise by over $50,000. FHA loan limits are increasing in 2023. The new baseline limit, which applies to most single-family homes, will be $472,030. That's an increase of more than $51,000 over last year's FHA loan limit of $420,680. Caps are even higher in areas with expensive real estate, where FHA loan limits will now reach above $1 million. The Federal Housing Administration is raising its lending limits to keep pace with home price inflation. With these higher limits, borrowers have access to a wider range of homes using affordable FHA financing. What's the most you can borrow with an FHA loan? FHA loan limits dictate the maximum amount you can borrow on an FHA-backed home loan. Starting January 1, 2023, the new FHA loan limit will be $472,030 for a single-family home in most parts of the country. Limits increase for 2-, 3-, and 4-unit properties. Check your max FHA loan amount. Start here. FHA borrowers can also get bigger loans in high-cost areas. The maximum FHA loan limit for a 1-unit property in a high-cost county is $1,089,300. And there are special exception loan limits in Alaska, Hawaii, Guam, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. In these areas, FHA caps single-family home loans at a surprising $1,633,950. Keep in mind that not every borrower will qualify for the maximum FHA loan amount. The most you can borrow will depend on factors like your credit score, debt-to-income ratio, and down payment amount. FHA loan limits for 2023. On January 1, 2023, the Department of Housing and Urban Development, HUD, is increasing FHA loan limits in 3,222 counties, while just 12 counties will remain the same. Following is a complete list of the new FHA loan limits for 2023. You can look up your local FHA loan limits. How FHA loan limits are determined? FHA loan limits are based on the Federal Housing Finance Agency's conforming loan limits. Each year, FHA limits are set at 65% of the new conforming loan limits. There's not just one FHA loan limit. Rather, borrowers can access a wide range of loan sizes depending on the type of property they're buying and where it's located. Verify your FHA loan eligibility. Start here. August 16, 2023. FHA has a baseline limit for single-family homes and increased limits for 2-, 3-, and 4-unit buildings. In addition, extended loan limits are available in counties with high real estate prices. According to FHA's guidelines, a low-cost area is one where you can multiply the median home price by 115% and the product is less than $472,030. Similarly, a high-cost area is one where the median home price multiplied by 115% is greater than $472,030. There are just 65 U.S. counties with home prices high enough to qualify for FHA's maximum loan limit. Many counties have loan limits that fall somewhere between FHA's floor and ceiling. In Alaska, Hawaii, Guam, and the U.S. Virgin Islands, home buyers can borrow even more than the FHA's high-cost loan amount. In these areas, the ceiling is a whopping $1,633,950 for 1-unit properties and up to $3,142,800 for a 4-unit home. FHA says the higher loan limits in Alaska, Hawaii, Guam, and the Virgin Islands are meant to account for higher costs of construction.